Hello traders, I'm about to backtest a VWAP trading strategy on Apple stock, and the idea of the strategy is buying when the price is above the VWAP, selling when the price is below the VWAP, and setting a take profit that is 3 times the ATR value and a stop loss that is 2 times the ATR value. So this is the trades in the chart, and this is the stats. As you can see, a 22% win rate, a 22% return, and 82 trades with a win rate of 40.24 and a profit factor of 1.19. Now this is the setup of the strategy. Just to show you how I did backtest this. Okay, so in the indicators section, we have selected the VWAP with this configuration HLC3, and for the buy condition, we have selected the condition to be priced above the VWAP, and in the sell conditions, we made the opposite condition. So we have selected the VWAP here, HLC3, and here we selected price below the VWAP, and in this section we have selected the session to be New York session, the stock to be Apple, and we left the time frame as is, which is 15 minutes. Here we have selected the ATR to be the take profit to be 3 times the ATR value and the stop loss to be 2 times the ATR value. And then we have toggled this, which is skipping opening another position if there is already a position. We have here the size, which is 1000 shares, and since the account wasn't able to buy all this, we added the leverage, which is 10x here, and then we have backtested from here. And then this is the result, 22% return, and in a period of 59 days with a win rate of 40%, a profit factor of 119, and 82 trades. Okay. This is the chart, your entries and exits. And as we can see in here, it's going long when the price is above the VWAP. And as you can see here, it's going short when the price is below the VWAP. Okay, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions about the backtests, make sure to drop them in the comment section.